Body's off the frame and it's on the rotisserie. That was fun. Just pulled the body off the frame with Steve's help and Dennis's help. Burke didn't help, he left. So that's what it looks like underneath. First view of the underneath. Over here, a bare chassis. Ready to be cleaned up, tranny mount put in, drive shaft, etc. That empty bay there is where we're going to put the body once we get it onto the rotisserie. So we got the back part of the rotisserie bolted in. We're going to need some more fasteners, or we're going to have to do some welding too, just to be on the safe side. This kind of setup here makes me a bit nervous. So we will be, even though the body is light, like 3 guys could lift it, relatively light. 3 guys or 4 guys could lift it up. I'd rather be overcautious and add welds and things like that. It is centered in the car. Car looks a bit crooked on the hoist, but we're pretty sure we're centered. Center of gravity as far as the top versus the bottom, to be honest, we don't know what that is. So we're going to guess, and if we've got to move things, we'll move things. So that's the front. All done? Almost welded in.
You okay with the weight? Need help?
No, I'm just playing with it.
Oh, okay.